What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the upper base model of the 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro. If you are intrigued to find out what it's like to game on this MacBook, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload those videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the spec of the model I am going to unbox. So this is the model which retails for around £1,800 or dollars and starts off with a 2.4 GHz quad-core Intel i5 processor, which can turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz. It also comes with the Intel Iris Plus graphics 655 along with 8 GB of LPDDR3 RAM, which is clocked at a speed of 2133 MHz. And as this is the base model, it also comes with 256 GB of storage. And unlike the other 13-inch models, this one comes with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Now this model in particular can always be found on sale. Now I will leave links down below in the description to where you can find the cheapest prices. But in typical Apple fashion, popping open the box, we get our first look at the MacBook. And as you can see, I have opted for the space grey colour, and pulling on the pull tab to remove the MacBook, we can place that to a side and get our first look at the included accessories. So taking a closer look at the included contents, the first thing that we get is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Taking a look within this, you will find some documentation. Now the first of these is your quick start guide, which will give you a general overview on the buttons and the ports on the MacBook, along with how to quickly get that set up. This is then followed up by details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty, along with some regulatory and health and safety details, and then finally your 2 white Apple stickers. The next 2 items make up your 61-watt USB-C power adapter. Now this comes in 2 parts, which means you are able to swap out the plug portion, so if you are traveling you can plug into different sockets worldwide. This can also be used to fast charge an iPhone, so if you are in a pinch and you need something to fast charge your phone, this can also be used to get the job done. The final item to be included with this MacBook Pro is the C2 Usbc Cable. Now this cable can be used for power purposes and to also transfer data. It also has an approximate length of around 2 meters. And by using this and the USB-C power adapter, you should be able to charge up the MacBook in approximately 2.5 hours. So that has been it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload future videos, especially my full and in-depth review on this MacBook Pro. If you have got any questions with what you've seen in this video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.